Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change lock screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to wallpaper and style. Here, select change wallpapers. Here you can select any wallpaper from featured wallpapers. These are all the system default wallpapers. I would like to select this wallpaper, and to apply for lock screen, just you can untick home screen, and then this selected wallpaper will be applied only in lock screen. Click on next, and yes, click on done. Selected wallpaper is now applied on lock screen. See the changes. Yes, lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I applied. You can also set a photo as wallpaper. You can go to the settings in your phone and go to wallpaper and style. Click on change wallpaper, and here from gallery you can select any photo. I select this photo and click on done, and I would like to apply this selected wallpaper for lock screen only. So I untick home screen and click on next, and finally click on done. Yes, it is applied now. See the changes. So in this way you can easily change lock screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.